get a game pretty quickly.
Yeah, I hope so.
Everybody's home and we're queuing tank and support.
Ow. Fucking thing fell on me.
Welcome to Blizzard World.
Blizzard World.
Blizzard World.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
I'm doing cheap chat just to make sure. Can you hear everybody?
Never stop fighting for what you believe in.
Enough waiting around, let's get out there. Let's up the tempo.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Ooh, this place looks like so much fun.
Never actually looked at this map before.
It's really nice. It's well made.
No, like the mini map.
Yeah, let's move it, people.
I also never played WoW, so I don't get half this shit. But
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
yeah, go bottom left.
Let's get you healed up.
They have a Hanzo.
I will keep you here. This will only You're covered.
Nice. Got the Ash.
I'm on
On
fire.
low.
Stay on point.
Hello there.
Hello.
Objective A is captured.
Scared.
Escort.
On the diva, she's low. She's out of suit. We need to get cart.
What was that? Yo, Lucio, come back a bit. Watch out the wall.
Missed the ball, sorry.
Oh, he was one. Alright, that's fine.
It's just a scratch. You'll be fine. Helden sterben nicht.
Got diva again. Stunned.
Ball behind.
Oh, that's not good.
Tried to get my
Where's the
shield
shield signal?
out, but I couldn't. I have ult for next fight.
Alright, we have 5 alts going in next fight. Let's use them wisely.
The hand you come
Don't
and
use
mark
them all at the
how
same
you
time.
hand.
No, now we have 4 because our Doomfist left.
Did he leave?
Yeah.
4 somewhere.
Oh my god.
What's the hold up?
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Roadhog, I can push you. Roadhog, I can push you when you're ready. Shit, watch dragons.
Just move out of the way of the Hanzo. Let him go. Oh, or not.
They have an Ash too, that's all. They have an Ash.
Smoke them out of there.
I got stuck.
They don't have any shields.
I'm not ready to hang it up.
Turn it up. This is gonna make you feel better.
How does she get
التعلم من Ella.
Oh gosh, guys. You gotta get the tanks. They're all on the left there. Or just die. That's fine.
Bob, 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 Bob.
Good beat.
What? Did it? That was my bad.
I kind of froze up there. It's okay. This is still winnable. We have plenty of time.
Old soldiers.
I'm just trying not to overstagger myself.
Helden sterben nicht.
I can boost you for your flux if you want.
Nah, boost like the. I'm gonna flux when the soldier has ult. Boost the soldier. Flux doesn't help my ult. Got the Diva demeched.
Diva keeps charging, dying.
Yeah, he is very aggro.
I killed someone
Genji.
on this.
Oh, I walked right into mine.
Mercy, mercy, mercy. She's one. Got her.
Oh, I'm one.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry
I
about
haven't
it.
played Sigma in a while. Diva threw her ult, so that's a waste.
This is much
I'm
better
a
than
switch
cabana
Rhine.
on the beach.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's probably good. Oh, I shot that.
Someone get that payload.
Here, back up, back up. Out of the shield.
I've seen.
You guys wait for mine.
Got him.
I'm not ready.
I tried.
You gotta help your healer.
I need to like stop holding on to nano. So I can just use it whenever. I'm gonna boost you. Okay.
Wait till we actually get in.
Get back in the fight. Die here.
Soldier, stay with the team.
Helden sterben nicht.
Here, go drop on a cart.
Copper soldier.
Just a scratch. You'll be fine.
You're gonna wait.
Go.
Get in there.
Keeping you up.
There he is.
I don't have anybody to go for. I do. I missed him.
You're covered.
Got the mercy.
Just kill this Ash.
Get in here.
Got the dash.
Oh, so close. Push the card. Thank you, dude.
I killed it, but at what cost?
I have shatter for next fight.
That's
Ryan, what are you doing? Run away. Upper Ryan.
We should go around the right side. I don't think we should. Let's try this first. Who's up there? Who is that?
That's the Ash.
Soldier, can you take out the Back up, Ryan.
I slept Diva, don't wake her. Alright, how many ults is that? 2?
They used
Yeah.
2 at least. 4. Nano. They used junk. They used Ash, and they used
Get back in the fight.
mines, I think.
Alright, wait. Let's group up,
We need
group
to
up.
keep the payload moving. Rock it off. Watching your back.
How did he get away?
He's ball.
Helden sterben nicht.
And a half of
Go, go, go.
Guys, stay with your tanks.
Had to back out.
We got free hammer, by the way.
I tried
going to be okay. You're powered up. Get in there.
I was caught in the room. Got him.
You're covered.
Get on the cart, get on the cart.
Nah, I missed that.
Oh, come on.
This will help.
Oh, I'm trying to keep it for a dog.
Okay.
Devon cart, Devon cart, Devon cart, Devon cart. Watch that, watch that.
You got one last push.
Retired.
Save your life.
It's right on cart.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I lifted my shield. That was my
Run away,
bad.
run
Sorry.
away, run away.
That was my
I thought I
bad.
was out of the blaster. Yes.
Double kill.
Run,
I'll
run,
have-
run, 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 run.
Done.
Wait, regroup. We have one last push if we stay together. We should go right side.
Yeah, go all the way around.
Go right side. Just push it, push it.
Keep going, keep going. Got the hammer.
Get me.
Ah, this ball. Screw him.
Go, go, go. We gotta kill this. It's still winnable. Got the mercy. Soldier mercy. Heart.
That was a good fight.
Play of the game.
Take us out.
Nerf this.
Oh, I didn't think it. I thought I checked the box.
It sometimes randomly.
No, I
Doesn't,
I
it
definitely
does.
just didn't push it.
That's fine.
Wait, a legendary. Genji skin.
Is it the Blackwatch one?
Nah, it's the Oni.
Oh, that's a good one.
Too bad I don't play DPS.
So the New Jersey shelter in place starts at 9:30 or something tonight.